Hi! So here's my Trilogy recreation challenge set that I did yesterday for our competition that's currently running on the Trilogy Facebook group page. So head over there, fantastic opportunity. There's going to be two winners. So the first one will be it's category 1, which is anybody that is either a student or has been doing nails for 12 months. They get a chance to win a voucher for £30 for the Trilogy Nail Systems website. And then the second category then is for anybody over 12 months, obviously qualified, and they also get a chance to win a £30 voucher. So first of all, I've gone in with Cover Pink up to the cuticle, and then once it's slightly set, I've gone in with some netting then, which I have actually dabbed in acrylic powder, so that helps it to stick a little bit less. So once you have lightly pressed it onto the nail, literally just pull it off, and it will come away quite nicely if you've popped it into the acrylic powder. So the first colour I'm going in with is Night Sky, literally doing it as a bit of a wash, just to make sure that it does get into all of the little marks from the netting. So all the products I am using, I will list in the bottom of the description box for you, and I'll also put a discount code in there as well for you. So the colours I am using, I've used so far, so I've used Night Sky, which was the it's very close to black. It's very, very, very dark grey. Then I've gone in with Chilli Pepper, which is a red. Helen then, which is a gorgeous burgundy. And I've also added in some Lustre grey as well in there. So at the bottom I've put in very wet beads, very small beads, and then use the tip of my brush then to marble them. I usually go up to the top right and come back down on the left hand side, and literally just swirling it with the tip of the brush. Always make sure that your beads are quite wet. If they are too dry, it will set and you won't be able to get that marble effect. Here I'm going in with Fantasy, which is the acrylic glitter mix from Trilogy, and I'm picking up very, very, very small beads of the glitter because a little bit goes a long, long way with this. I'm literally placing it where I want to, and then using the tip of my brush then just to move it exactly where I want it to be. So, and now what I'm doing is I'm actually just capping over the marble because I want to go in with the file once it's set, just to tidy up where the netting is and where I've done the wash of the colour. So literally just capping the end, just to make sure that I'm protecting it so I don't actually file any of it. And then waiting for it to set. So I'm currently sat in my car because I've got 2 kids at home and a husband at the minute that is actually working from home every now and again, and I am absolutely cooking. But it's nice and peaceful, it's great. So with that, I've literally just filed over just to tidy it up and just to get rid of some of the extra wash that I had put over the Cover Pink. And then I've gone in with some monomer, just to make sure that the clear then sticks to the rest of the acrylic, and then capping. So once that's set, I did actually file, brushed off all the dust, and then wiped it over then with some finishing wipe. Here I've got some black gel paint and a fine liner brush, and I haven't actually dipped the brush into the paint. What I'm doing is I'm dragging it through the paint so I don't have any like blobs of paint on the brush itself, and then literally just swirling down the nail. So with this design that Helen did, the two lines kind of interlock and swirl around each other. So it's much better to do this with a long liner brush than quite a short one, I found. Still learning about hand painting, still not very good, but every day's a learning curve. Then I'm going in with a dotting tool just to pop a couple of dots onto the lines. So once that's done, I pop that into the lamp for 60 seconds to cure. And then I'm going in with the Ultimate Gloss Top Coat then from Trilogy, which is amazing. After 2-3 weeks of wearing it, it's still really, really shiny. It is absolutely amazing. And then that one then, once it's all top coated, pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds and it's done. And there's a finished nail. So everything that I have listed today, I will pop in the description box below, and hopefully see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.